my sense organs. Fill in the blanks. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I taste with my tongue. I feel with my skin. I smell with my nose.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.